Hey, welcome back, and today let's write some Leetcode. So today's question is 3 to 7 vowel games in a string. Alice and Bob are playing a game on the string, and we are given a string S. Alice and Bob will take turns playing the following game, where Alice starts first. On Alice's turns, she has to remove any non-empty substring from S that contains an odd number of words. And a substring means that it has to be in a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. So a non-empty one means that she must remove at least one or more characters from the string S itself. And on Bob's turn, he has to remove any non-empty substring from S that contains an even number of vowels. So the first player who cannot make a move on their turn loses the game, and we assume that both Alice and Bob plays optimally. So return true if Alice wins the games and false otherwise. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So for this question, it's actually a very easy question. We just need to understand more of the trick to do it. I think we can firstly look at the example first and do a dry run of it. So within this first one, we see how the input is Leetcode. There's a total of 4 different vowels inside here. So what Alice does first is that she removes 3 of the vowels, the E and the O present. So the resulting string is therefore DER. And it's on Bob's turn. Since he has to remove an even number of vowels, he can only remove either 0 or 2, in which case, since there's only one, he can only remove one non-empty character, which is D itself. So the resulting character will be ER, and now on Alice's turn, she can remove the entire leftover since there is one vowel present, and eventually when it goes back to Bob's turn, the string is empty and there's no play for Bob. So let's write up a solution for this. It's very straightforward. All we need to do is just have a list for the a variable here to capture all the vowels, and then we have a count of the vowels. So we iterate through the string itself S, and we go for C in S. If the C is in vowel itself, increment the count of vowel, and if the vowel count is 1 or more, we can just return true, and if it's not, we can return false. Meaning if there's no vowels, Bob will instantly win since Alice cannot make any legal move. Whereas in the other case, if let's say there's 1 or more vowel, Alice can always remove the number of vowels such that Bob will never be able to make an optimal play, and in that case, Alice will always win. So this is actually a very easy question. I hope you enjoyed today's solution. Let me know how I can improve. Thanks.